The burner will not ignite, but the engine runs fine. Overlook, can we help our friend out?
The main cause of the heater not running properly or starting up once you hit the burner switch is the hood has to be closed. That's because the burner is light sensitive. It'll only start when the hood is closed without any light getting to it. Check the pressure once you hit the burner switch. It has to read 150 pounds. If that's there and that's working and you're still not getting ignition, we would have to check the fuse. It's kind of in a hard position to see right now, but if you look inside here, this is the fuse holder. If you still have no flame on your heater, we would have to check two more things. One would be this flame sensor. Remove that, get a clean cloth and clean the eye of the sensor. The very last thing to check if you have no ignition is your heat exchanger is blocked. If you have a clogged heat exchanger, it's very difficult for this heater to run properly. Always maintain your clean heat exchanger. Make sure your spark arrestor is clean from debris. Clean this part constantly.